Hi friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Robin. Today I'll be making braided garlic buns. They're soft, buttery, and very garlicky. These are the ingredients. The exact measurements are listed in the description box below. First, dissolve the yeast in the warm milk. Then mix the salt, sugar, flour, and milk together. The milk temperature should be around 90 degrees Fahrenheit so the yeast can be activated. Just take out the milk from the fridge and microwave it for 30 seconds. Then add 2 eggs and mix them well. At this time, no gluten has formed yet, so the dough will break easily. Just make sure there's no dry flour left in the bowl. After everything is mixed, cover it and let it rest for 20 minutes for the dough to form the stretchy gluten strand. After 20 minutes, add 2 tablespoons of melted butter and make the dough absorb all the oil. At first, the bowl will be very greasy, and you'll be able to slap the dough like this. Slapping the dough can help it to absorb the melted butter. It's also fun to do. After 1 to 2 minutes, the dough will have absorbed most of the butter and it will become sticky. Stretch and fold the dough to absorb the melted butter completely. Cover it and let the dough rise in a warm place for 1 hour, or until it expands to twice its original size. An ideal rising temperature is between 80 to 90 degrees Fahrenheit. While we wait for the dough to rise, let's make the garlic butter sauce. Mix 2 tablespoons of room temperature butter and minced garlic. Here I used a garlic press and minced 10 cloves of garlic. Put aside for later use. Alright, this is what the dough should look like 1 hour later. As you can see, the dough has grown to twice its original size. Spread some flour on your hands and on top of the dough. Punch down the dough to remove the air bubbles. This spongy texture makes the bread very soft. If you feel like the dough is too sticky, just add some flour and keep removing the air until the size of the dough is almost the same as before the rise. Then divide the dough into 4 pieces. Each piece can make 4 buns, so in total you'll get 16 garlic buns. Sprinkle some flour on your working surface and the rolling pin. Coat the dough with flour so it won't stick. Flatten the dough with a rolling pin. Push down and roll forward to the edge in a single motion. Repeat until you get a rectangular shape. Brush on the garlic butter sauce evenly. Fold it twice. Roll out the dough again. Then divide it into 4 pieces. Cut one piece into 3 strands. The top should still be connected. Make sure to not separate them completely. We will be making a 3-strand braid. Right hand to the middle, left hand to the middle, right hand to the middle, left hand to the middle. Then repeat. Then pinch the end together and roll it up from the end. That's how you make a cute little garlic bun. Place them onto a baking sheet and let it final proof for about 30 to 40 minutes. Brush on a thin layer of the egg wash before baking in order to get a nice color. Bake for 20 minutes in 375 Fahrenheit. The freshly baked garlic buns taste the best. They have a crispy crust on the surface. Inside is very soft and garlicky. Because it's braided, the garlic flavor is therefore distributed very evenly. Listen. It's one of my favorite bread recipes. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like and subscribe if you like my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye!